Hi Sam, it's great to see you again. Today, we're going to learn the word
Medien.
Hi Alex.
Medien.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Medien.
means media in English. It refers to various means of communication, like television, radio, newspapers, and the internet. The most common usage is in relation to news and entertainment. Just be careful because in English, media can sometimes refer to just one type of media, while in German,
Medien.
is always plural.
That's good to know. How do we use
Medien.
in sentences?
Great question. The article for
Medien. Die.
so it's
Die Medien.
the plural form is already in that form, and it refers to multiple types of media. For example, you can say
Die Medien berichten über das Wetter.
which means the media reports on the weather.
So, what about past tense? How would I say that?
In the past tense, you could say
Die Medien berichteten über das Wetter.
using the
Präteritum.
form in the
Perfekt.
it's.
Die Medien haben über das Wetter berichtet.
I see. And is there an imperative form?
Not really for,
Medien.
since it's a noun. But if we were discussing a verb related to it, like
Berichten.
we could say
Berichte.
meaning report.
Where does the word
Medien.
come from?
Medien.
Comes from the Latin word,
Medium.
which means middle or means. It has evolved over time to refer to channels of communication. It's fascinating how the word has broadened its meaning, don't you think?
Yes, it is. I love learning about the history of words.
Let's break down
Medien.
a bit. We have the root,
Medi.
which relates to means or channels, and the suffix indicating its plural. There's no prefix to split here, but knowing this helps in understanding its usage.
That makes sense.
Now, let's look at some similar words. For example, we have
Medienkompetenz.
which means media literacy. Here
Kompetenz.
is the noun meaning competence. Another one is
Mediengestaltung.
which means media design.
Wow, those are great examples.
Yes. And we can also think of
Medienwissenschaft,
meaning media studies. There's also
Medienrecht,
which translates to media law. If we look at other related terms, we can find
Social media,
which is the same in both languages, and
Printmedien,
meaning print media.
Those are really useful.
Imagine you're at a conference discussing media. You could say,
in den Medien gibt es viele Meinungen.
which means in the media, there are many opinions. Can you repeat that?
In den Medien gibt es viele Meinungen.
Perfect. Another situation might be at work, where you could say,
Wir müssen die Medien analysieren.
which means we need to analyze the media. Give it a try.
Wir müssen die Medien analysieren.
Excellent. Lastly, if you're talking to a friend about the news, you could say,
Hast du die neuesten Nachrichten in den Medien gesehen?
meaning, did you see the latest news in the media?
Hast du die neuesten Nachrichten in den Medien gesehen?
Great job, Sam. Now, let's think about the gender hint for.
Medien,
Since it's plural, there's no specific ending to remember, but you could think of it as a collection of different media types.
That helps a lot.
Let's discuss some usage notes.
Medien,
Is neutral in terms of formality, you can use it in both casual and formal settings. Some typical collocations are
die sozialen Medien, die Massenmedien,
and.
die Printmedien,
A common confusion is with,
Medium,
which is singular and refers to one type of media.
I see the difference now.
We've used several sentences with
Medien,
today. For instance,
die Medien spielen eine wichtige Rolle in der Gesellschaft.
which means the media plays an important role in society.
That's a good sentence.
Another is,
Die Medien haben über die Wahlen berichtet.
meaning the media reported on the elections.
I like that one too.
Let's have a quick recall check. What does
Medien,
mean?
It means media.
Correct. How would you say the media reports on the news in German?
Die Medien berichten über die Nachrichten.
Great. What is the plural form of?
Medium,
Medien.
Yes. And can you give me an example of a similar word?
Maybe.
Medienkompetenz.
Exactly. Last question, what's the article for?
Medien,
It's
Die.
Fantastic job, Sam. Today, we learned that
Medien,
means media, how to use it in sentences, and its fascinating background. Remember, it's a plural noun, so you'll always use it in that form. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time.
Thanks, Alex. I really appreciate your help. I'm excited to use this word.